In this tutorial for beginners, you're going to be learning about how we can record a high quality voiceover or an audio using Adobe Premiere Pro. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here or haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Now let's get started. Open up your Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's first check out settings. So go to edit menu, click on this preferences and then on audio hardware. Here you need to make sure that under this default input, there should be your microphone that you are currently using. And in this box, just write your default output. The device that you prefer to hear back should be the current selection. When you are done, just click on this OK. If you're not sure about your default audio input and output devices, then you go to your Windows Start menu and you type sound settings. And you get this. Here you can see the default output device is headphones, Realtek audio, you can see here. And the default input device is mono microphone, USB condenser microphone. And these are exactly the devices that I could see in my Premiere Pro audio preferences. Once again, you go to edit menu, preferences, and this time click on audio, and then you get this option box. You look over here, this mute input during timeline recording is now turned off. I think it's its default settings, but if this option is not checked, what's going to happen is that when you record your audio, you will hear you back through the computer speakers or the headphone. And I think it's usually a bit annoying. If you're of the same opinion, then you can check this box before you click this OK over here. Now you won't hear anything back while you record. To get started, I just added some video footage to my timeline that I would like to record over. Or you can simply record an audio in the same way. Before you begin, you make sure you at least have an empty audio track for your voiceover to be recorded on. I have many audio tracks over here. For example, if you need an extra one, just right click on any of your audio tracks and select add track. Okay. Now to record audio, you will need this little microphone icon on the track you would like to record on. So if you are missing it, just right click on your audio track and select customize in the pop-up and simply drag this microphone icon on your audio track. Next, let's position the playhead to where we want to start recording. Okay. To start our recording, we need to click on this microphone icon or the spacebar of our keyboard. Suddenly, by default, you will see a countdown timer in the program window, and then your application will start recording the microphone input. To stop our recording, we either need to click on the microphone button again or simply press the spacebar on our keyboard. Okay. And over here, you see Premiere created a new audio clip with my microphone input. If you don't like the countdown, you just right click on the audio track over this portion and then on this voiceover record setting to get this option box. And on this option box, you uncheck this little box for pre-roll. On the contrary, if you like the countdown but want a different duration for pre-roll, you can easily do that by clicking on the blue number and changing it accordingly. You see, this is the audio I just recorded, and after playback, I think I should change some portion. So I bring the playhead to here, as beyond this point, I need some changes. And I press the I key of my keyboard and then click this microphone icon to record the audio. Now you see, I make changes as I want. It's time in this video. Before that, I have a request to you. If you're new here, having subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. And thanks a lot for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.